Hello lovely people, welcome to my channel. Thank you for clicking my video. In this tutorial we shall be looking at how to create unlimited Telegram account. Yes, this time around we shall be looking at how you can easily create unlimited Telegram account. So I will need you to pay attention and follow me step by step. The method I will be teaching you guys today is very simple. So you need not to root to device, and also this works in every country. So it doesn't matter your location. Now before we start, if it really happens to be your first time on this channel, don't forget to subscribe and also turn on the notification icon and be part of this wonderful family so that anytime I upload a new video, you might be the first person to watch it. Now that wasting much time, let's get started. Now in the first place, all you need to do is to open your Play Store. Now once you open your Play Store, all you need to do is to just search for your Telegram. You need to make sure you update your Telegram application to the latest version. So if your Telegram is not updated, update your Telegram application, and once you are done, search for Super VPN. So Super VPN, and if your Super VPN is also not updated, you need to make sure you update your Super VPN. So download Super VPN over here. So this is the Super VPN with more than 100 million plus download. Now go ahead and open your Super VPN over here. So just open your Super VPN and just wait as it is loading. And once it has loaded, it's gonna take you to the next, it's gonna take you to this place, and you can see connect. So click on connect and you can see connecting, and wait as it is connecting. And once you wait for a while, you can see it is connected. Now once you are connected to this particular VPN, all you need to do is to open your Telegram. Now once you open your Telegram, you can see your phone number. It is demanding for our phone number, but here is the case: we don't have we don't want to use our phone number, so we have to open our Play Store once again. And once you open your Play Store, then you search for this application, Receive SMS Online. So just search for Receive SMS Online. There are many of these applications, so I recommend this one with more than 1 million plus download over here. Now once you have downloaded this application, if you're already having it but not updated, update it to the latest version. Now go ahead and then open your Receive SMS application. So just wait as it is loading for your contact over here. Now once you open this application, you can see receive SMS, receive email, and support us. Now you can see receive SMS. This time around we want to receive our verification code through SMS, so you have to select the country that you prefer over here. In my case, I prefer USA, so select USA, and then you can see the state over here. So select the state. Now once you have selected the state, select the number. So click on copy over here, and once you click on copy, you can see copied. Now go back to your Telegram and enter. You can search for the countries over here, so you can see you can search for USA, So for the easiest way, just enter +1, and once you enter +1, you can see USA. So you have to paste the number over here, and once you paste the number, the +1 is already here, so delete the +1, delete the 1, and once it is deleted, click on next, and you can see is this the correct number. Now click on yes, and once you click on yes, it's gonna take you to once you click on yes, the verification code will be sent. So just open your receive SMS online and then click on refresh page. So click on refresh page, and once you click on refresh page, you can see the verification code over here. So you can use this verification code to create your unlimited Telegram account. So all you need to do is to copy this verification code over here, and once you copy this verification code, use this verification code to create your unlimited Telegram account. So copy the verification code and use it to create your unlimited Telegram account. You can click on the link under the description to join my Telegram community so that we can link up. I hope this video is very helpful. Thanks for watching, and also subscribe for more tech updates.
Don't forget to subscribe and also turn on the notification button so that anytime I upload a new video